Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about ApeCoin potential targets for 2023 and the next upcoming bull run with my customer care set. Let's dive in. This is just a brand new token because the listing on Binance was here in March 2022. It's only 467 days alive, 37% in circulation supply. With next unlocks, we will see more and more coins in circulation supply. So step by step, the early investors sell this coin to newbies. So now, even with this condition in the market, market cap around 800, almost 900 millions. So here, a market cap at the top was 6 billion 78. That's why, just to be honest, I don't know how high Ape can pump, with this circulation supply and upcoming bull run, even with massive altcoin season. Sooner or later we'll come back and close this gap, even with a full fill, and a full fill will be at $10. Just a psychological price, $10. After $10, everybody starts screaming. We go into $20 to $50 to $100 or so, over than this monthly gap, but on weekly time frame. We got this weekly gap, which we also can come back and close, So why this zone is important? Because, of course, we don't know how low this coin can drop. Because the listing price was $1, psychological price also. This Fib is legit. Why this Fib is legit? Because this is a Fib extension. Here's a top, here's a correction, here's a bounce, and all these levels is legit. After this zero level, we walk from level to level, like always. Here's a 38 over than 23. Once again, 38, bounce, and here's a touch of 0.5 level by Fib. On a weekly time frame. Here's a perfect touch, 0.5. Basically, 0.5 level by Fib. Historically, it's more than good. It's more than enough for correction. But it's just a brand new token, so we can trade one more time, for example, to a $4.20. Everybody starts screaming, we go into the moon. But after that, we can be wrecked and go even to 61 level by Fib. If something happened when with this coin, the next level is only 61. So this coin can add 1 0. So it's just horrible, so we can drop to 5 cents, for example. So it's the most horrible scenario. It's 61 level by Fib. Positive scenario is 38 correction, 23 correction, and over than 0 level, even fulfill, and we have to count new Fib. So this can be a long road with accumulation. 23 level by Fib, based on a retracement, it will be the fulfill of this monthly gap. So, of course, this $10.47 is like a magnet for Ape, but also the magnet for Ape, it's 18 level by Fib, it's $1.13, and at least 50% of this range, 27 zone and 18. So 27 zone and 18, it can be 12 cents. So this is how low we can drop. And yes, unfortunately, I don't want to scare you, but it can happen. So just keep in mind this scenario. So it's pretty hard to drop from $2.43, drop to 12 cents. Just forming the historical low. So just keep in mind this scenario. Locally, now we got a order flow, which we can come back and close like this one, even to liquidate this stop losses, to test 50% of this gap, not even fulfill, and then come back down, forming the historical low to test, for example, $1.13. So just remember, fulfill $10.47, $1.13. It's crucial levels for bearish scenario. You can start accumulating here. For sellers, you can start selling here. Take profit. So don't fall in love in any single coin. Based on this Fib, we can go and close a weekly gap, 0.38 it will be, and 0.5 it will be fulfill of weekly gap, which above the monthly one. So just keep in mind, and I think this will be the top. This will be the top for Ape for the next cycle. Of course, I can be wrong, but better be with conservative price targets than dream about a new all-time high and skyrocket to 100 or something. So just be careful with your expectations. So more than real to see $10, 13, 16. And now let's go and double check this chart with my customer care set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1. So here's the trend line. We're forming divergence. So one more bullish signal. But like you remember, on many altcoins, we formed the 3 bottoms like this one. Now we can see now the pump, for example, liquidate all these guys. We can see something like this one and then drop it down to $1.13. And on the chart, it can be looks like this one, And around September, October, November, maybe we will see the one more lower low. We saw it on many other altcoin charts. So I don't want to scare you, but just keep in mind these levels, Even with a weak candle, we can form it the lower than the listing price. So just one squeeze, So now, yes, we're in accumulation stage. So big players accumulated at here. It was accumulation at $4.34, and they accumulate now at $1.96. So next time, I guess they will accumulate at $1.13. So this is how it works on a weekly time frame. On a daily, like you can see, we was in accumulation stage, also formed the divergence for intraday. Now we're coming in at distribution. So let's take a look on another indicator on the weekly. It's script flat direction. Yes, of course, it's not enough history on the market, but yes, we don't see any signal to accumulation or signal to buy on a weekly time frame. Based on the market mode, like you can see, this all-time period, it was a distribution. So the big players distribute. Now, we just only first time saw the total disbelief on this coin. So it's from May 2023 till June 2023, we just came into this belief stage. And yes, it's good time to buy. But I guess sooner or later we can see something like this one, and collapse it down once again in this belief zone. It can be around autumn or maybe June or August. So we will see. Time to sell will be once again when we'll see the orange or extreme red color in the market on a weekly. On the daily time frame, yes, we're still in just accumulation stage. So this white color in the market, it's time to accumulate DCA strategy in zone of interest. Red color is time to out because the sentiment on the market, it's too overhyped. Let's take a look on trade on. I guess, yes, on the weekly time frame, we don't have any signal on weekly. And on take profit, I guess, yes, we don't have enough data for analysis for a weekly time frame. That's why unfortunately, I can't show you the real value of this coin on a weekly time frame like on many other altcoins what I showed you. But here what we can see once again, drop under fundamental price, bounce. Drop under fundamental price, under buy line, bounce to take profit, 145%. Now we drop it once again to the same condition. And like you can see, all lines are dynamic and they're going down. That's why we have, yes, all chances to see now some rally to $4.20, liquidate all this order flow. Maybe even with the exit line, we can hit over than this stop. Here, stop losses over than $4.73. Here's how it works. So let me mark you and show you the horizontal line. Here's with a magnet. This is a horizontal line, $4.75. It's a line now exactly a little bit, exit line a little bit higher to sweep these guys, sweep all this stop losses. And after that, it will be pretty hard, but we can drop from this $4.76. We can drop once again 76%, 75%. I hope not, but just keep in mind this bad scenario. Till that time, of course, take profit line also are dynamic, so it can be around $3, for example, over than this high, but sooner or later, I guess we will see, or move like this one from this current price, or liquidate this stop losses, and after that going down once again to the fundamental price. Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free trading view plan. Guys, I hope you liked this video about Ape. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.